In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom background music in Opera GX. If you'd like to personalize your Opera GX browsing experience with custom background music, you're in the right place. Opera GX includes built-in customization features that let you add music and other effects through browser mods. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable background music, browse available music mods, and customize which parts of a mod you want to keep so your browser looks and sounds exactly the way you prefer. To get started, open Opera GX on your computer and wait for the browser to load completely. Once you're on the main browser window, open the Settings page. Inside the Settings menu, move your cursor to the search bar near the top of the page. This search feature makes it easy to find specific options without having to scroll through every category. Click inside the search bar and type the word Music. As you type, Opera GX will filter the available settings and take you directly to the options related to browser audio. Scroll down until you find the background music setting. If background music is currently turned off, click the toggle to enable it. Once the feature is active, you'll notice a few built-in music tracks that you can choose from. While these default tracks are a great starting point, Opera GX also allows you to expand your collection by adding music through browser mods. To find more music options, move to the upper right corner of the browser and click Get More. This opens the Opera GX Mods catalog, where you'll find a variety of themes and music packs created for the browser. Browse through the available mods until you find one that includes the background music you'd like to use. When you've selected a mod, open its page and add it to Opera GX. After the mod is applied, you may notice that it changes more than just the music. Some mods also include wallpapers, browser sounds, keyboard sounds, and other visual customizations that completely change the appearance of Opera GX. If you only want to keep the background music, return to the Mods section in Opera GX and locate the mod you've added. Open its customization options by disabling and then enabling the mod again. This allows you to choose which features you want to keep. Simply leave background music enabled and turn off any other options, such as keyboard sounds, browser sounds, wallpapers, or additional theme elements you don't want to use. Once you've saved your preferences, Opera GX will continue using your custom background music while keeping the rest of your browser looking the way it normally does. It's an easy way to personalize your browsing experience without changing your entire theme. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,